Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So if you have not subscribed my channel, so kindly subscribe it. So in today's video, we will fix this issue of left and right audio sound is not balanced in Windows 10. So let's start. So firstly, you have to just go to the taskbar and then you have to open this up and go to the sound tab. Here you can see this is a speaker, so you have to just right click on it and then click on sound, and this dialog box will appear, so you have to just go to the playback tab, and in playback you have to just select your speaker. As you can see, this one is my speaker, so you have to just select it and then go to the properties. So in properties you have to just go to the levels. So in levels, as you can see, here is the balance button, so you have to just click this up and then you will find out the left one and the right one. So you have to just slide this. As you can see, it is on 97, so you can shift it to 84 and then you have to shift to the right one as well. So slide you have to left and right and check if your problem is fixed or not. So by checking, you have to always check your speaker by reducing it or by increasing the left one and for right one as well, which one caused issue. So you will figure it out, and when you will fix it, you will find that it is balanced now. So you have to just click on OK, then your issue will be fixed. So you have to just click on OK and then your issue will be fixed. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.